Did I just spit at you? I'm sorry. What's up, guys? I hope everyone is doing well. This is Max here, tuning in from some random courtyard I just rolled into and attached my camera on this weird moving wooden fence. Alright, enough? Okay. Alright, now that the things are stabilized, I hope you have seen the review of Book of the Week last week, which was Shoe Dog by Phil Knight. And that was a super interesting one, great memoir. I'm still excited by it. But this week, Economics of Inequality. This book is a more condensed, tailored and focused economic writing compared to the famous book Capital in the 21st Century, also written by Piketty, a renowned French economist. So this book really discusses how to measure inequality, where is it coming from, and what we can do, or what the governments or the employers or the employees or the workforce or anyone really, what anyone can do about the problem of the increase of inequalities around the globe. So what I'm going to do this week is I'm going to dig into this book, eat it for breakfast, lunch and dinner, actually immerse myself into the mind of Thomas Piketty and what he thinks about inequalities, and then I'm going to digest it, poop it out, and present the outcomes to you, right? So maybe I'm gonna try to make it easier to understand for general audience. Maybe this is gonna teach you something about economics, something about inequalities. Maybe this is gonna lead to you getting the book or getting interested in the subject, or will just entertain you, provide you some sort of value. So this is the Book of the Week, and I hope everyone is doing well, and I will check back with you soon. Bye.